Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is our topic, which is the past paper, or you can say OTQ question on IAS 40. The question name is Speculate. Speculate question number 231 till 235 in your Kaplan official study, Kaplan official kit. You will find it over there. Now, this question, how I comes to know that this question is on IAS 40? Just read the bold line 231. What is written here? What is the? Read it, please.
The first question, the first line, what is the correct treatment when property A is reclassified as an investment
But
property?
khalas, once we saw the word investment property, our mind start working. Tring, tring, IAS 40. There is IAS 40. And we know that the connection between IAS 40 and 16 is there. Am I right?
Yeah.
The connection is there. So let's deal with the connection and see how to deal with it. In the paper as well, just read the board line. You will come to know which IAS is that. So first line is the correct treatment of property way if it is investment property. Okay, fine. Number 232, how many models are there in investment property IAS 40? IAS 40 is giving us how many models? We know 2 models. Which one? Later on I will ask. Wait. The third question is total gain on investment property if in the profit and loss under any there is a difference in the valuation, and we know that if value up or down, the valuation goes up or valuation goes down for investment property, it is not OCI. It's not going to be in OCI. It is a profit and loss. It's an income or an expense, right? Well or wrong?
Yeah.
The next question is how it would be reported in consolidated. Halli walli, we will not solve this question today. 234, sorry. Lesh, why? Kyun? Because consolidation, we didn't study yet. So how we can deal with consolidation? So I am going to ignore. I will miss it. I am not going to solve it. But when you will go in the paper, definitely, inshallah, we will cover up the course. We will be done with the consolidation. So you will be able to solve it when you will be in the paper. 235, again, carrying amount of property A if they are using the cost model. Now, this is a complete question of 10 marks. It's a past paper. It appears, it's in front of us, that IS 40, 10-mark question. Allahu Akbar. It not happens once. The last attempt, which was the September 24 attempt, which was the previous month, my students told me that, sir, we got a MTQ on IS 16 come IS 40. 2 questions from 40, 3 questions from 16. We got 10 marks OTQ. It happens, Baba. It happens. There is no important IAS or IFRS in FR. Examiner can choose any of the IAS or IFRS and he can make a OTQ question on it. Got my point? That's why from the beginning I am telling you, you must have a grip on your standards, any IAS and IFRS. From beginning you start study, later on you will chill, inshallah. But if you keep it till the end of the syllabus, moth. You know moth?
Yeah.
Yani death. Death is certain. Okay? Okay. Hello. Now let's start. First of all, we will read the question, okay? Speculate owns 2 investment properties. Okay. Speculate owns how many properties?
2.
2 properties. Uses which model? Uses the fair value treatment. Understood now. Fair value model. Okay. Property A. Office building used for administrative purpose. Madam, tell me if it is used in office, in the purpose, in the job, in the office, like if it is in use for business, what it is?
IAS 16.
Aywa, Behreen, right? You are absolutely correct. So that is IAS 16. Yani property A is IAS 16. Continue reading it. At 1st April 2002 or 2012 or 2000 or 22, what you like, You will read it at what?
Oh,
20? 20?
2012, it had carrying
Okay,
amount.
for you is 2012. Okay, fine. We will read it as 2012 now. It had a carrying amount of,
X is one and Y is two, no? Or is the other
yes,
way around?
yes, you are right. X is 1 and Y is 2. Carrying amount of how much?
2 million.
And the remaining life is how much?
20
How many?
years.
1st October. See, 1st October Masti. The problem arises. The property was let to the third party and what?
Reclassified as investment property.
Aiwa, so tell me, ma'am. It's jumping from 16, coming from
Yeah,
16 to 40.
40.
Fair value is how much at the time of jumping
2.3 million.
and at the time of year end?
2.34 million.
Now we will read the question again. So we comes to know that what we supposed to do. We are going to solve it for on the basis of year end, or we are going to solve it at the time of reclassification. Read it and explain me, ma'am.
We're gonna treat when the property is reclassified.
So I can say we are at 1st of October. Am I right?
Yeah.
I am at 1st of October and I am solving it. Listen to me, ma'am, carefully. This is a date of reclassification. Before
Mm-hmm.
that, after that, the year end, no?
Yeah.
So tell me, what is the year end of the company? It's always mentioned. Year end is 31st of March
Mm-hmm.
2013.
13.
Supposed to be begin from 1st of April 2012. Am I clear in that or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Now tell me, we had a property which had a carrying amount. Carrying amount, the date is mentioned. Is that 1st of April
Yeah.
2012? Am I clear?
Yeah.
2 million. Let's write the full number, okay? Now we learned it in our previous session that what to do. We need carrying amount at the point of reclassification, Komal. Am I right or am I wrong?
Yeah.
How many months of depreciation
Six
would it?
months.
April, May, June, July, August, September. No to October. No to October because it's 1st of October. Wallahi, I am
Yeah.
right. So 2 million divided by 20 into 6
Mm-hmm.
by 12. The answer is it is coming from IAS 16. That's why I charge the
Yeah. 15.
depreciation.
Mm-hmm.
If it is not coming from 16, we never charge depreciation, right? Because IAS 40 fair value model don't have depreciation, right? Till
Yeah.
here, you have any confusion, any problem, any tension?
No.
Now 16, IAS 16 to IAS 40. Allahu Akbar, 16 to 40. At 1st October, the fair value is given to you, ma'am. How much? 3.
2.34 million. Yeah, sorry, 2.3. 2.3 million.
2.3. The difference is gain. How much? 350? Yeah, 350, right?
Yeah, yeah, 350.
My question to you, my small question to you, ma'am. Tell me, this is either OCI or it is profit and loss. Is it OCI or it is profit and loss? Either case, you knows that. I told you in
Yeah,
simple
it's
jugaad. My jugaad is there.
OCI because we follow IAS 16.
MashaAllah, marhaba, you are absolutely correct. Sir, we are jumping from 16. So from where we are coming, sir? We are coming from 16. So where we comes, we apply that rules. We are coming from 16. So CI. Wallahi, I am right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
Any tension?
No,
Okay, very nice. So we had an answer. Option A, B, C, D. Which one?
A.
A for elephant or A for apple? Whatever you
F.
like,
A
take
for
it. A for apple. It's my A. My A, my choice. I will say A for elephant. What is the problem? No problem. Right? Now, tell me the next part is coming up. Give me a second. The next part is like a joke. The examiner is really generous. Really very generous when he wrote this question. Read it, see what he's asking.
Which of the following models can Speculate use to account for investment properties in its individual financial statements?
Which models? How many models are in IS 40? How many models we learned in IS 40, ma'am?
Revaluation model and fair value model.
I would like to kill someone, really. IS 40, Baba, not 16.
Oh,
IS
cost model
40. Cost model and fair value
and fair
model.
value model.
This is IS 40. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, I guess B.
Yeah,
That is 40, no? Investment property, bhai. 1 and what if it is IS 16, then 1 and 2? Cost and revaluation. Am I right?
yeah.
Okay. So this is very, very, very easy one. Any confusion?
No.
Very good. Moving forward to the next one. Read it.
What is the total gain for investment properties to be included in Speculate's individual statement of profit or loss for the year ended 31st March 2013?
Now
And
this guy is
yeah.
asking year end, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now be careful. The property A, all the drama is here, right? So I can just carry it. We got the fair value now. Fair
Yeah,
value 1st of October 2012 was 2.3 million. This is property A, right?
yeah.
At the time of year end, it got valuation of how much?
Uh,
How much?
2.34.
2.34. 2.34. Fair value. 31st of March 2013, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the difference, this is IS 4040 now. IS 40 in the question is written that the company is using fair value model. So the difference is going to be in income statement gain. How much?
40,000.
40,000. This is only property, yeah? That's not the final answer because they are not asking you here about property A. Look, be careful. Here he specified about property A. So we only solved property A. Here he is asking total gain on properties. You are pretty sure. You know property is a singular and properties are the plural.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to consider property B for Billy, right?
Yeah.
Can you read property B for me?
Property B, another office building let on a 12-month lease to a subsidiary of Speculate. At 1st April 2012, it had fair value of 1.5 million, which had risen to 1.65 million at 31st March 2013.
Okay. You already read it. So
Mhm.
the value is going up, no problem. Value goes up, good thing. It's a good thing, right? Good sign. Yani
Yeah.
property value is going up. But
Yeah.
read it again and tell me what do you think? Is IS 40 or no?
Yeah.
How? Why? Lesh? Kyun? Just I'm asking, yani I would like to know.
Because it's rented to.
Yes. Rental property or closing it for capital appreciation purpose is always what? IS
IS 40.
40. And IS 40 have how many models?
2.
Two models. In this question, on the very first line of the question, it mentioned that the company is going to use the fair value model whenever possible, right?
Yeah.
So tell me, what was the value and what is the value?
It was 1.5 million and it became 1.65 million.
So is it any problem to find out the fair value gain?
No, it's 150,000.
150,000 gain, profit and loss, right?
Yeah.
Property B. A you got 40,000, property B 150,000 gain, right?
Yeah.
Total of gain is 190000. Kani khalas, finish, that's it. 2 marks, mashallah. Any problem?
No.
Next question is coming up. Give me a second. The next question is something new, but it's about the consolidation. So
Mhm.
we are going to ignore it. And I am going to paste the next one, the last one. As per sequence is the fifth number, okay? 233, then 235, okay?
Yeah.
Because we are ignoring the one in between. What is asking here? Read. What would be the
Carrying amount of property A. What would be the carrying amount of property A? B. They've mistyped something. At 31st March 2013. If Speculate used the cost model for investment properties.
IAS 40 cost model is similar like IAS 16. Remember or no?
Yeah.
So property A, he would like to use it. So 1st April 2012, the carrying amount of property A was 1.5 million, right?
Mhm. Property A was
Sorry, sorry.
2 million.
A was 2 million here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It was 2 million. Now, they are saying that we will follow the cost model. Which model we are going to follow, Baba?
Cost model.
Cost model means we are not going to consider the market value. We will not going to consider the market value. Am I right? We will
Yeah.
keep it on the cost. We are going to keep it on the cost, right or wrong?
Right.
If we are keeping it on the cost, how to deal with it? Just depreciate it, because IAS 16 depreciates the assets. So depreciate it, like 20 years the life is given. So 20 divided by 20, 100,000 will be the depreciation. The carrying amount at 31st of March 2013 would be 1900,000. Option B. Yani what I did? I did nothing but I applied IAS 16, but under the umbrella of IAS 40, because in the cost model of IAS 40, it's same like IAS 16. But we knows that fair value model of IAS 40, no depreciation. But cost model of IAS 40 is same like IAS 16. So there is a depreciation. Any confusion, ma'am?
No.
That's it for this past paper.